Presentation: Fastshare 3.186.207. Technology in Multimedia and Web Development. Activity: Evidence GA7 240 20 2501 WA1 EB01 Video. Instructor: Jaime Enrique del Castillo Muñoz. Aprendiz: León Darío Vázquez Arango. 26 de julio del 2026. The First Telephones. En 1960, Anthony Muxi unveiled his invention, the telephone, in public demonstration. A singer voice was transmitted over a considerable distance. Anthony Muxi telephone. This was the school telephone history created by Landesbell Panther in 1876. He used to call his assistant, Mr. Wash, come here, I want to you. Since then, my variants are here or they fonts have emerged, as can be seen in the images. The first mobile phones were used to bring worldwide the prototype for the first mobile phone was the Heidi Talking H12-16 invented by Motorola early in the war. The emblem right communicated BT through. The explosion on the mobile iPhone early down 1980 when the device was by your exclusive or indirect way demands to acquire things. Between the 1980 and 2000, mobile phones underwent significant improvements and evolution, becoming more affordable for the general public, while the world technology and design has advanced. Conclusion: drones that activity are learning about the evolution of the certain communication media, especially called the telephones the Queen have undergone massive change over time and they become indispensable to humanity.